Sure. So the first question we ask is, who's going to be responsible? So you can't do anything unless you have a person who's going to be in charge. Then we say, okay, what are your externally facing requirements? So do you have a website? Do you have emails? What are you doing that's facing the customer? Let's start with those. And then we identify, okay, all the stuff you have that's externally facing, where is it geographically located? Because there's different laws and rules according to where the geography is. Then we come in with them and say, okay, let's start with the external stuff. Typically, it's a website. Let's figure out what jurisdiction it is and let's tackle that. And so after you've done the external facing part, you come back and look at the internal part of the company. And the internal part of the company is let's get a policy in place that makes sure that what we're doing inside our company matches up with what we told people we're doing on the externally facing part of the notice or whatever it happens to be. And then we start zeroing down on the key procedures. And usually there are two that are most important. One is subject access request, which is when someone asks for information about their information. And the second one is breach response. And this usually overlies heavily with the cybersecurity team or the IT. So we start with there with that. Once those things are in place, from then on, then we start doing the 4 Fs. Let's grab the framework and let's start going through the checklist as much as we can.